Hey, my name is Kylie Veach. I am applying to be an enrollment specialist. I've heard really great things about this business and I'm just very excited to learn more and grow in this experience, I hope. I've had a lot of different experience with business. I have my master's in business administration, but I've also managed and owned my own businesses for longer than that. I've been in the office. I've also, just completely managed different property and Airbnbs. And I also just love to try new and fun businesses. I've had experiences owning snow shacks and markets and workshop businesses, and I have loved each and every one of them. And one thing that I feel that I'm really good at is convincing people to try a different product or try a new thing, and that's what I think sales comes down to, is connecting people to the product and to what they really connect with. And I'm very good with people. I love to talk on the phone and I love to connect with them on a deeper level than more than just what I'm trying to sell to them, and love to just actually really get to know them. I feel that I'm genuine in that and like to make people feel comfortable, and I genuinely love to get to know them, and it's not just a fake thing. I love meeting new people. Spencer Ward referred me for this position, and it's kind of a newer thing for me. I have done sales in regards to, different businesses and also being a missionary for my church. But I am anxious to learn, and I do feel like I would be very good at this position. I take on things well, and I don't stress very easily. I am a mom of 3 beautiful little girls, and I love to work from home, so that part really rings for me. But if I do need to get a babysitter anytime, that's not a problem. I am just anxious to try a new thing, and I really feel that I would do well in this business. So I hope you'll give me a shot. Thanks.